all nature is the best and the rest is all shit. Gosh, it disturbs me to see you taking your dumps. Every guy here'd love to be too off, and it's not very hard. Everyone's oddly inspired by you.
When I was a lad, I watched 4 dozen pornos to help me get erect. And now that I'm grown, I eat 5 dozen inches of my dick. Roughly the size of a bomb. Yes, I'm dating all of my decorating, and every last inch of me's covered with biceps to spare. I'm especially good at ejaculating large semen intake. As a spiff,
no one's ass is as incredibly thick as Gaston. There's no man in town as admired as Lady Gaga. You can ask any Tom, Dick, or Stanley, or Dick, or Wack. It's all nature.
As you see, I've got semen in my face.
Lick it off your face.
I wanna go to Gaston.
Fill my mouth with that thick, sweet juice.
When I was a lad, I ate feces.
No.